Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I will be showing you how to add a video to your website in Google Sites. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead to the official Google Sites website right here and log into your Google account. After logging into your account guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all of the options that you have in your Google Sites. You can create a new website right here, you can go ahead and create a portfolio or a project and so on. Here we can see all of our websites that we have and that we are editing. So I'm going to go ahead and use this website today. I'm going to go ahead and open it by clicking on it right here. And now this will open up this website and the page. So as you can see, here is my website, and let's say that I want to put a video right here that everybody who visits my page will be able to see. So guys, how do you do that? Well, it's very easy and you only need a couple of steps. The first thing we want to do guys, go ahead and look at here in the insert button. You'll see that you have the option to insert multiple things such as text box, images, embed and so on. But there is no option for videos. And guys, why is that? Well, because Google Sites does not allow you to upload videos directly from your computer. So guys, what you have to do is go ahead and use the drive option right here. What you want is to go ahead and upload the video that you want to your drive, and after that you'll be able to upload it to the website via your drive. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my drive right here. Now I'm going to scroll down and find the video that I want to use for the website. So I'm going to scroll down and let's say this is the video right here that I want to use. So guys, basically what I have to do is just to go ahead and double click on the video right here. And after double clicking, now this will add this video to the website right here. Now we are free to do whatever we want. We can move it wherever we want. We can resize it if we want. You can do whatever you want with the video, put it wherever you want. And now when somebody visits your page, they will be able to see the video right here. But yeah guys, basically that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.